right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a sheet pan and we are gonna place 6 of our little peanut butter cookie dough coins right onto our sheet pan. I did put some parchment paper on here just for safety, and we'll use the rest of that for later. All right, now I'm gonna come in with these adorable turkey-shaped sugar cookie. When I saw these, I knew I had to get them. They're just too cute. And we're gonna go ahead and put 1 cookie on top of each of our peanut butter cookie coins. Oh my goodness. Now you could make homemade peanut butter cookie dough. You could use chocolate chip cookie dough, sugar cookie, but I just love peanut butter and I knew I had to use it for this recipe. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven at 350 for 12 minutes. All right, these are just my double stuffed Oreos. Our turkey cookies are in the oven, and we're just gonna make a super cute little treat that you can make with your kids. I have some leftover candy corn from Halloween and some melted chocolate. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna grab our candy corn and we are gonna dip it in that melted chocolate, just the white tip, like so. And we are gonna place it right on top of the cream side of the Oreo, just like so. And we're gonna add 4 candy corns total to each cream side of our Oreo. I'm using the double stuffed Oreos, but you can use whatever Oreos you like. These ones just seem to be the best for this little craft, okay? This is the best way to use candy corn, to eat candy corn. Just make sure it gets right in there. And then while that chocolate is still melted and before it hardens, we are going to put our lid right back on, just like so. We want that chocolate to hold that together. And we're gonna do the same with these. All right, we're just gonna finish up our last one. We have our candy corn and Oreo little concoction put together. We're gonna keep a hold of that melted chocolate, and I'm gonna grab a little toothpick to make this super easy, and some butterscotch chips. Now what these butterscotch chips are gonna do, they're gonna be the beak to our turkey cookies. Yeah, and we're just gonna place that right in the center of our Oreo, just like that. And we have to check up on those peanut butter cookies in the oven so we can have all of our treats ready. Now we're gonna switch out our butterscotch for these little googly eyes. And I actually just found these at our local grocery store in the baking aisle. So hopefully you guys will have just of an easy time. And we're gonna do the same thing we did with the butterscotch with the googly eyes. And we're gonna put them right there, just like that. And look, we are getting a turkey, you guys. Watch this come together. Just a little bit of chocolate. And there we go, a turkey. All right, we're gonna finish these up real quick. All right, look how cute these are. So we are gonna let the chocolate harden a little bit, and we're gonna check on our peanut butter cookies in the oven. All right, these have came out of the oven and they are cooled down. We're gonna put them to the side, and we are gonna grab our Haagen-Dazs vanilla bean ice cream. You can use whatever ice cream you prefer. We're gonna grab our knife, and we are just going to cut right into our ice cream, just like so, so we get the perfect ice cream coins. Just like so. Do it one more time. There we go. All right, so we have 3 little ice cream coins here, which is the perfect amount. All right, we'll put that to the side for now. And we're gonna grab our cookies. They should just come right up because we have, oh yeah, I don't even need a spatula because we have the parchment paper. Put one facing upside down. Oh, look how beautifully those cooked. You cannot tell me that's not a perfectly cooked cookie. And yes, you guessed it, we are making cookie ice cream sandwiches. Go ahead and grab our our rings of ice cream. Place them right here. And then we have the most beautiful peanut butter turkey ice cream sandwiches. Look how cute those are. All right, so we have our ice cream sandwiches, and we cannot forget those adorable turkey Oreos. We have the most fun, easiest little, Thanksgiving cookie treats that anyone can make. I know that there's some people out there that do not like pie, those crazy people. So this is just a great little alternative if you don't want pie. Let's go ahead and try this one. Ice cream. You guys have to try this. Happy Thanksgiving.